The best warranty in the industry, 100% pre-delivery inspection of every RV off the production line, a remarkable employee tenure from the factory floor to product development teams, winner of the best quality Class CRV, one of the highest ranking resale values on the market. Jayco built its company on its reputation, and as it's grown into one of the leading RV manufacturers in the world, the goal remains the same. As we explored Jayco's motorized arm here in Middlebury, Indiana, we heard a common phrase from their production teams when we asked what drives their decisions. And that phrase is because it's the right thing to do. Why the warranty? Why build for safety far above standard? Why take customer feedback so seriously? There's a greater integrity at work here, and that sentiment takes on a whole new meaning when you begin to uncover the processes, product development, and culture around Jayco motorized manufacturing. Drive through Middlebury and you'll see firsthand. At Jayco, going above and beyond is a culture. From state-of-the-art facilities to supplier collaborations and local partnerships, every Jayco motorhome is rooted in integrity, innovation, and community. What does that mean for you as a Jayco owner or interested buyer? Well, you're about to find out. Jayco's motorized campus in Middlebury spans 4 production lines across 3 different buildings. In addition, every single motorhome that passes through their facility is delivered to a dedicated pre-delivery inspection facility where it undergoes an exhaustive inspection and testing process. But to understand Jayco Motorized is to go beyond the walls. With over 600 employees responsible for production, plus teams of engineers, product development, vendors, highly specialized suppliers, and countless others working in tandem, there's an ecosystem here, one that revolves around trust. Engineering, purchasing, production, outfitters, getting everyone on the same page is their #1 priority. And with Jayco Motorized, they believe they are the strongest they've ever been at collaborating to do what's absolutely best for the customer. It's based on decades-long relationships in an unparalleled level of data so that every product decision is weighted with history and customer feedback. Jayco is a longtime manufacturer of Class A and C motorhomes, and in 2021, they began manufacturing their own Class B lines. And in that time, they've grown their offering and reputation, earning widespread popularity and acclaim from dealers as the best quality Class C RV. Brands like Greyhawk and Redhawk are industry standards, providing value and quality that RVers have come to trust. Jayco motorhomes are built on a range of pre-engineered chassis, including the Ford F-53, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and Freightliner, among others. For Class B models, Jayco uses Mercedes-Benz, Ford Transit, and Ram ProMaster van chassis. And in true Jayco fashion, each has its own custom-built frame. With approximately 11 brands across 3 motorized segments, the result is a strong and evolving motorized division that balances market responsiveness with the core consistencies that have made them a mainstay in the industry. Features like their proprietary J-Ride handling and ride enhancement packages are just one of the ways they deliver on their promise of doing the right thing for the customer. It all starts with that customer experience. When it comes to product decisions, Jayco's product development office is right next door to their customer service department in the same building. They meet weekly to share feedback and often coordinate how they are getting information from their customers. Data collection, performance testing, that hyper focus on the customer experience. It all comes into play in the actual RV build. While Jayco uses OEM chassis for their motorhomes, these are anything but standard. Every Jayco frame is individually built to offer the best support for the RV size, model, and floor plan. Custom welded steel frames with full-width trusses and laser-sheared components provide a reliable foundation for each model. Every unit uses custom-sized perimeter rails and box tube supports expertly welded and coated to resist corrosion. On the assembly line, drive shafts are dynamically balanced to prevent vibration from transferring into the coach structure. The result is a tested foundation tailored to the unique demands of each Jayco motorhome. But building a Jayco motorhome comes down to more than just quality production. It also requires a level of integrity from their suppliers, vendors, and partners. Much of this comes down to that industry best warranty. Jayco won't use any component or feature that can't provide the same guarantee as they make to their customers with their RVs. Jayco works with long-standing local partners to modify these chassis so they arrive at the start of the production line with a strong, smooth foundation, suspension included. With motorhomes, Jayco believes that your vacation starts the moment you turn the key. To put it simply, comfort and safety on the road are just as important as at the campsite. And the motorized team at Jayco focuses on ride and handling across each of their motorhome lines. The end goal? Delivering a driving experience worth repeating. Whether it's cross-country road trips or quick weekend staycations, they want driving to be the least of your concerns when planning RV trips. That means each motorhome rolls off the line with the suspension suite engineered for its specific chassis and mission. Jayco's proprietary J-Ride, J-Ride Plus, and J-Ride Premium packages vary across different RV types and models, providing a tiered system of enhancements that improve the RV's overall performance. Heavy-duty steering stabilizers, computer-balanced drive shafts to neutralize vibrations and lessen background noise, variable rate front and rear jounce bumpers, Coney FSD shocks tuned for different motorhome weights. These are just a few examples of the types of enhancements you'll find across certain A and C lineups and models. But each system varies depending on its package and its needs. Their Class B ProMaster, Transit, and Sprinter RVs also incorporate J-Ride technology in several configurations across their different lines. Things like set and forget Hellwig helper springs, heavy-duty sway bars, Coney shocks, upgraded all-terrain tires, and upgraded aluminum wheels, limiting the need for aftermarket suspension enhancements. Across every Jayco motorhome, their suspension technology adds yet another dimension of comfort and safety, all with the intent of a better customer experience. But there's far more to Jayco Motorhomes than custom frames and smoother drivability. Along with suspension upgrades, Jayco's exclusive safety and performance upgrades include things like a taller, wider windshield that reduces blind spots and improves visibility on Class A's, a catalytic converter theft deterrent built from ultra-hardened steel that's extremely difficult to cut, stress-tested seatbelts at every seat location, as well as child safety tethers welded onto the seatbelt base brackets, additional safety brake lighting that differentiates parking versus reversing, vacuum-bonded laminated walls that receive 144 tons of pressure for 16 minutes in a highly regulated, humidity-controlled facility, and the Shower Miser water management system that recirculates unused fresh water. Each core feature represents a years-long process of research and development, intensive performance testing, and customer feedback, resulting in a motorhome fleet trusted by Jayco owners everywhere. But from a company that's always looking to guarantee a good customer experience, no Jayco is complete without a 100% pre-delivery inspection. Jayco provides 100% pre-delivery inspection on every RV that leaves their manufacturing facilities. Every RV, whether towable or motorized, goes through at least 8 different stations where every component is checked for potential defects and to ensure functionality. Most PDI facilities occur at completely separate buildings from production, and this reflects Jayco's choice to invest in quality control rather than simply ramped up output. Manual inspections test appliances, water pressure, roof and lighting integrity, towing hardware, and more, including rain tests for the motorhomes. The final 3 stations are devoted solely to rework, fixes, and a thorough cleanup, ensuring no issue goes unaddressed before delivery. Motorhomes receive even more testing than towables, requiring almost twice as much time as their driving components undergo some additional testing. Every pass, fail, or required rework is recorded on a handheld device tied to the RV's VIN number, creating a complete digital audit trail. Analog markings, bright tape highlighting problem areas, paired with the digital notes so technicians never lose sight of a defect. All this inspection data feeds directly into engineering and production, alongside warranty claims, 6-month owner surveys, and dealer advisory council input, so every insight becomes an opportunity to refine processes and designs. The result? Well, fewer post-delivery fixes, continuous model year improvements, and RVs that truly live up to Jayco's promise. It's a cultural commitment to send the best possible RV to the end user. For Jayco, building a better RV goes beyond the steps they take to deliver the highest caliber product. It's also rooted in their belief that running a responsible operation requires minimizing waste, conserving resources, and providing a better work environment, all leading to a better, more efficient process. These principles go into every step, from R&D to final assembly, to build RVs with integrity and respect for their customers, employees, and the communities they serve. Some of the actions Jayco takes includes waste reduction, water conservation, sourcing sustainable materials, creating energy and process efficiencies, community education, and building lightweight designs that are more fuel efficient. Through investments in their local communities, their workforce, and the greater RV industry, Jayco knows that great RVs are a product of an entire culture. Whether it's their pioneering PDI process, purpose-built suspension suites, or ongoing feedback collected from whoever drives and camps with their RVs, Jayco shows an inordinate amount of integrity, and the proof is in the build. So next time you have the chance, check out a Jayco Motorhome and let us know what you think in the comments below. I'm Ian with Camping World. Thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you.